Okay, hello dear friends. Good morning, such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So here we have fresh farm-raised tilapia fillet and let's see, and I want to marinate it a little bit. So put some ginger, just some ginger. Oh, I need to wear my glasses. Cannot see very clear. So we have some, okay, I use a bowl to do it. Even better. Without this. Let's take a look. I put some ginger, and you can put onion if you like, salt and pepper. Hello. Bye bye. Pepper. Hello. Bye bye. And some soya sauce. Hello. Do not know whether this will work out well or not, but we can always give it a try. And cooking wine. This is rice wine. If you do not have some white wine, inexpensive white wine will work. So I think that is good. How about put a little bit of vinegar, Chinese black vinegar? And if we put vinegar, maybe we can put some spice, some salty and sweet flavor. And a little bit of sugar, and that's a full flavor. And sometimes you go to a restaurant, takeaway, and you have some leftover chili spice. Do you want to take care of it and clean it up? Yes, I do. So that is it. Okay, the ginger I will return to my husband to do his soup. Okay, so we have this juice does not need to be too salty. I will rinse it a little bit anyway. And put a kitchen towel, tap dry it a little bit, and we have no place to put the camera. This is quite 宝贝儿，我们应该把这个地方弄得可以放。Okay, 1, 2. This is a little bit awkward. But 我们可以在这儿安一个那个什么，对，Robio。
No， 叫那个 spider。
so you can see it. Joby, yes, Joby. Joby, he will not be happy. 你都不会叫出他的名字。
对，你看这个这么厚，
但是你放在那儿。
你要放在一边。
还有一个就是用那个那种、
对 suction cup。
Yeah, suction cup. Okay, so from time to time we turn it around, and for now leave it in the refrigerator half an hour, 1 hour, or a little bit longer. So from time to time we turn it around, and that is it. Okay, so here is the fish, and marinated for 6 hours, around 6 hours. And I will steam it, so I put in. So before it is too hot, I put in this bowl and let it boil, and so the dish is hot in that case. Okay. Hello dear friends, so it is boiling. I turn the fire, you can hear it, can't you? So I put it in 1 piece, 2 pieces, and then the sauce in, and put some cooking oil or vegetable oil. Okay, that's it. And cover it up and turn the fire a little bit stronger, and not totally too strong, not like this, something like this. Medium low, medium. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes and it will be good. See you later, alligator. So this is around 5 minutes. Let's take a look. I have not yet seen it, no idea. It looks pretty cooked through, and we want to cook it a little bit further through, right? So just keep on, cover it up another 2 or 3 minutes. You can turn the fire a little bit stronger, but not too strong. Otherwise the water will come back, recirculate into the plate, and that we do not want. Now we take a look at, I take out the fish. I am 100% confident that is good. Okay, moment of truth. Let me make it right. Yes, I made it. Good. I made it. Okay. Put some cilantro on top to make it pretty. And a little bit of it for the flavoring, a little bit for the presentation. Bon appetito!